Welcome to the exciting world of deep learning. In this module, we will delve into the mysteries behind one of the most transformative technologies of our time. Deep learning, powered by frameworks like TensorFlow, is revolutionizing industries from healthcare to finance and even our daily lives. Whether you're a curious beginner or an experienced technologist, this module will equip you with the foundational knowledge and practical skills to understand and build deep learning models. Throughout this study, we'll explore the core concepts, delve into the architecture of neural networks, and unleash the power of TensorFlow in constructing intelligent systems. Let's dive in and explore the fascinating world of intelligent machines. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning, empowers computers to learn from vast amounts of data. Unlike traditional programming, where explicit rules are defined, deep learning algorithms learn patterns and representations directly from the data itself. Imagine training a computer to recognize cats in images. Instead of programming specific features like whiskers or pointed ears, we feed a deep learning model with thousands of cat pictures. The model automatically learns the intricate features and patterns that define a cat, enabling it to identify cats in new, unseen images. This ability to learn from data without explicit programming is what makes deep learning so powerful. It excels in tasks like image recognition, natural language processing, and even playing complex games like Go, often surpassing human-level performance. At the heart of deep learning lie neural networks, computational models inspired by the structure and function of the human brain. These networks consist of interconnected nodes or artificial neurons organized in layers. Each neuron receives input signals, performs a simple mathematical operation, and passes the output to the next layer. The connections between neurons have associated weights, representing the strength or importance of the connection. During training, these weights are adjusted to minimize errors and improve the model's accuracy. The deepen deep learning refers to the multiple layers in these neural networks. Deep networks with many layers can learn complex, hierarchical representations of data, allowing them to solve intricate problems that were previously considered intractable. Building a neural network involves defining its architecture, choosing appropriate activation functions, and employing optimization algorithms for training. The architecture dictates the number of layers, the number of neurons in each layer, and how they are connected. Activation functions introduce non-linearity into the network, enabling it to learn complex relationships within the data. Popular activation functions include sigmoid, ReLU, and ton, each with its own characteristics and applications. Training a neural network involves feeding it with labeled data, adjusting the weights iteratively to minimize a loss function. This loss function measures the discrepancy between the model's predictions and the actual target values. Optimization algorithms like gradient descent guide this weight adjustment process. TensorFlow, an open-source library developed by Google, provides a comprehensive ecosystem for building and deploying deep learning models. It offers a flexible framework for defining, training, and executing computational graphs, which represent mathematical operations in a neural network. TensorFlow's intuitive API allows you to define complex models with ease, while its efficient execution engine optimizes computations for CPUs, GPUs, and even specialized hardware like TPUs. Moreover, TensorFlow's extensive community support and vast resources make it an ideal choice for both beginners and experts. With TensorFlow, you can build and deploy state-of-the-art deep learning models for a wide range of applications, from image classification and natural language processing to time series analysis and reinforcement learning. In this module, you've gained valuable insights into the world of deep learning fundamentals with TensorFlow, from understanding its principles to building neural networks and harnessing the power of TensorFlow. But this is just the beginning of your deep learning adventure. In our next module, Advanced AI Projects with PyTorch, we'll delve into more sophisticated architectures, explore cutting-edge techniques, and understand how even more powerful AI systems are built. Don't miss out on this exciting journey into the future of AI. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, and stay tuned for more insightful content on deep learning and beyond.